welcome back to my channel, and yes, I'm bringing you guys my Walgreens haul. Sorry I look like crap. It is like 9 o'clock at night. I'm probably not going to post this video till Wednesday because I'm just having one of those days where I'm just like, But I'm here to share with you guys what I got at Walgreens today, and guess what? I will be doing a third haul for you guys because there is some deals that I wanted to do, that my store didn't have in stock, and plus I'm going to get more body wash. I ordered some more coupons, so I want to definitely do that deal. And then they have like this bonus thing that's going on this weekend, so I wanted to share with you guys what I got. So the first deal I got is the Fruit Loops cereal and the Frosted Flakes cereal. What you guys want to do is these are 2 for $4. You guys want to use, print off the $2 off of 4 coupon that you guys can print off the Kellogg's website. You guys would end up paying $6 for 4 boxes of cereal, but then you guys can get 15 cents back with Frosted Flakes, so that's times 2 because I bought 2 of them. And then there's also a rebate on Checkout 51 for $1 if you buy 2 of the Frosted Flakes. I'm just having problems. And $1 if you buy 2 of the Fruit Loops. So I did that deal. If you guys do that deal, you end up getting all 4 boxes for $3.70 or just 92 cents a piece after that is all figured in, which I think is a great deal. Under $1 for a box of cereal, that is a great deal. I'm a huge cereal person. I love cereal. I have it as a snack. I always eat it for breakfast. So just wanted to share with you guys on that deal. Look like crap. I don't know why. I just feel like I have no makeup on. Ugh. So the next deal I got is the Irish Spring Body Wash. Sorry, I'm just losing things. Fell out of my bag. These are $3.99 a piece. You guys want to use 2 $1 off coupons that we just got in this past Sunday's paper. You guys would pay $5.98 for these, but then you get 5,000 points, making them just 98 cents or 49 cents a piece. This is a deal that you guys can pay with points, and you will get points. So just wanted to share with you guys on that deal. I'm getting Irish Springs wasted this week. So we did that. I ended up doing the M&M deal because I really want to do a taste test. I ended up getting the mint chocolate crispy M&M or crunchy M&M. So I got 2 of those because I know I have a feeling these will be my favorite. We're probably going to do a taste test video of this. I got the crunchy espresso. And then I also got the crunchy raspberry. So they want you to like vote for those. So what I ended up doing is I bought 2 big bags of the regular bags of M&Ms. These are 2 for $5. There's a coupon in the Walgreens booklet for $1 off of 2. So you guys will get both of these bags for $4. But then I had a buy one, get one free coupon. So I ended up getting all 4 of these technically for $4. So that comes out to be like $1 a bag, which is still a pretty good deal. These are on sale for 2 for $3. So if you just bought the 2 of them, you guys would get these each for $1.50. So I paid for 2 of them and I got 2 of them for free. But I can't go wrong. I have like Easter egg grass everywhere. So wanted to show you guys that deal. Now, I went crazy with the makeup. Ben was not with me, which I was super excited about because I could figure out math while I was there. Now, while I was there, I was doing the all-made deal because there's a deal on Checkout 51. Right when I went to after I paid for everything, I submitted my receipt to Checkout 51 and they were already gone for the all-made. The Revlon was still available, but I don't know how much is left. So I got quite a few different pieces of makeup, and I'm going to share with you guys what I all got. Okay, so The first deal I got is the Revlon mascara. This was $6.49 on clearance. I used a This was $6.49 on clearance. I used a $3 off coupon, plus there is a coupon, $2 off coupon in the booklet. Now you guys can do overage on stuff from the booklet. So what I do is I have them scan the coupon first, and then at the end, then I have them enter the booklet. But a lot of these coupons, Revlon, some scans and some don't. I don't know why, but just letting you guys know on that. But you guys would get this for $1.49. So I thought that was a pretty good deal. I'm excited to try it, so why not? I ended up getting the Rimmel Face. So I got just regular foundation. So this was $5.79. You use that $3 off coupon that was on coupons.com. You guys also want to use that $2 off coupon in the Walgreens booklet. You guys would just get this for 79 cents, which I think is a great deal for foundation. 79 cents. And I have yet to use this. I should probably try it, but we don't get Rimmel coupons very much. I'm sorry. We don't get Rimmel coupons very much, so I'm like, I don't know. I might try it. The next deal I got is the Revlon Face Foundation. This was on clearance for $8.49. You guys want to use that $4 off coupon that we just got in this past paper. You guys would end up paying $4.49 for this, but then you guys can submit a $3 rebate on checkout 51, making it just $1.49. So, and I've tried this stuff. It's okay. It's okay. So we got that. The next deal I got is, why do I have Revlon Face? I don't know what Revlon Face is. I don't know what I have all this stuff. Revlon Face. Oh, Rimmel Face. Rimmel. I'm having problems today. This, I don't know what Revlon Face. I already did that. I'm sorry. I'm just kind of going crazy today. So I ended up getting this Revlon Matte lip color. This was $8.29. Now the Revlon is buy one, get one 50% off. I'm just letting you guys know on that. But the prices I give you are like the regular price. So if you guys get like 4 items of the Revlon, just be prepared that 2 of them would be 50% off. So this was $8.29. I used a $3 off coupon that we just got in this past Sunday's paper. You guys would end up paying $5.29 for this, but then you guys can submit a $3 rebate on Ibotta, making it just $2.29. Not the greatest, and I didn't mean Ibotta, I meant Checkout 51. Checkout 51. So we got that deal. The next deal I got now is the Revlon mascara. My paper is just like full. For being like a dead week, my paper is just full. So the Revlon mascara was on clearance for $4.39. I used that $2 off coupon that we just got this past Sunday's paper. You guys would end up paying $2.29 for this, but then you can submit a $3 rebate on Ibotta, making this a 61-cent money maker. So that is a great deal on that. I have used that mascara. It's okay. It's not one of my favorites, but I have used it. I ended up getting the Almay concealer. This was $9.49. You guys want to use that $4 off coupon, plus there is a $2 off coupon in the Walgreens booklet. You guys would just get this for $3.49. Now, I bought this to get the Checkout 51 rebate, but they were sold out, so I'm like, whatever, I'll just take a loss at it. But $3.49, otherwise if you could still do that deal, it would be 49 cents. But $3.49 is a pretty decent deal. I got the Almay eyeshadow. Now this was $6.99. I'm sorry, I just can't read my writing today. $6.99. You guys want to use that $3 off coupon we got in this past Sunday's paper, plus the $2 off coupon in the Walgreens booklet. You guys would just get this for $1.99. Now, you could have also submitted your receipt, but Checkout 51 is done with Almay, so had to pass on that deal. I ended up getting this Rimmel lipstick. This color is called Nude in the City. I think it's a pretty color. So this was $3.69 for this on clearance. You guys would want to use a $3 off coupon that we had from coupons.com and a $2 off coupon in the Walgreens booklet. You guys would just get this for $1.31 moneymaker. So that is a great deal. The next deal I got is this Rimmel. I've never tried this before, but it's Provo. I don't know. It's like the lipstick and the gloss. I thought that's kind of cute. So this was $3.89 on clearance. You guys want to use that $3 off coupon plus the $2 off coupon in the Walgreens booklet. You guys would end up getting this for $1.11 moneymaker. I don't know if I did the math right on that. Maybe not. I can't do the math on that. Maybe. Yeah, $1.11 moneymaker, maybe? I don't know. So that is a pretty good deal for that. So that was all the stuff that I got. I did qualify for beauty. I got a lot of beauty stuff, and I'll probably hit beauty next time. Sorry, I'm losing my voice. My total came to $21.22 for everything. I ended up getting 5,000 points for beauty. I got 30 cents back for Ibotta. I got $11 back from Checkout 51. I haven't physically gotten the money yet. I'm still waiting on the email, but I got that. So if you guys add everything together, it came to $4.92 for just 21 items. That comes out to be 23 cents a piece. So I think that is a great deal for $4.92 for all that stuff. I think it's a great deal. One question I wanted to ask you guys is I did email, I'm sorry I keep yawning, it's like 10 o'clock at night right now. I did email Ibotta asking if you guys can join my team. Now, if you guys are not on my team and you guys have connected your accounts through Facebook, check your Ibotta app, and if you have to, you might have to disconnect and connect again, but check and see if you guys are on my team, because like I looked and I see a lot more people on my team than I did before, so definitely check that out. So what you guys need to do is just disconnect your Facebook account on the Ibotta app and reconnect. And then what you guys need to do is check and see if you can find me on Ibotta as your teammate. I just want to know if I did this correctly, because if you did, then you guys will be on my team, which is awesome. So please let me know on that so I can know that you guys are on my team. But if you guys haven't already, for Ibotta, connect it to a Facebook account, because then you guys have a better chance of having more teammates, you know. Connect it to your Facebook. So I highly recommend, if you guys haven't, if you don't have social media, get Facebook. You have friends, there you go. But you guys know the drill. Give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you guys haven't already. And I will see you guys all later. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.